we are live. Hello, hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world, and where you are tuning from right now. Hello, hello again. So, OMG, I just dove into my goal line for today without even thinking what will be my topic. So, anyways, to those who are first time to see me live, and you might see me every day because of this challenge. My name is Julie Ann, and I'm from Antioch, California, but originally from Philippines. So time check muna tayo. So today is already lunchtime, 12:33 p.m. September 13, Friday. Oh, Friday the 13th pala ngayon, OMG. Ah! Tapos work pala ako mamaya, OMG. Sana po Lord, matinding ano 'to, pagdarasal. Work ako mamaya. So, yes. Hi, sis Salcon. Just to shout out muna bago ko siya mawala. She's from New Zealand and a business partner. And yes, we are a business owners in this online digital business, and we are also mentors where we help individuals to jumpstart their online businesses. And as I've told you a while ago, we have this 90-day success challenge, and today is our 54th day. Oh, di ba? Malayo na. Pero malayo pa ang mararating namin. And this is just the beginning actually, because after this 90-day success challenge, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. So, ito pa lang yung first step. So, for today's topic, ano nga ba? So, yeah, every day we have a certain topic where we share our experiences, our stories, our ideas, and our, ano ba? Ideas and thoughts. Yan, regarding sa topic. And then, yun, we just give our opinions and our tips, o 'di ba, on how we tackle those certain topics, o 'di ba. So for today's topic, ano nga ba? 54 days of our 90-day success challenge, expanding awareness and consciousness. Pabigat ng pabigat lalo ang topic namin ngayon, expanding awareness and consciousness. But before that, may isi-share lang ako. Because one time, sumikat to sa TikTok, sumikat sa Reels. And you know what? Why do we keep sharing our stories in this business? Because we are mindful. We share these stories because we want everyone to, see that there is a hope, there is an opportunity waiting for them. Yes. So, because we are mindful. Why do we listen and empathize to our viewers and to our business partners? Because we are mindful, di ba? So, why do we maintain a simple lifestyle? Modest and elegant living, o di ba? Because we are very demure, very mindful, o di ba? And why are we not so pushy and aggressive to our clients or to our prospects? Because we are demure, we are mindful, we are respectful. Diba? And why do we keep posting our achievements, our envelopes, our banners, our beautiful banners? Because we are cutesy. Because we are demure. We are respectful. And we are mindful. Oh, di ba? So, I just want to share that. I just I just got that nung tiningnan ko yung paggising ko, what is our topic for today? And then when I was reading our chat group, I saw that it's about consciousness and awareness. So this is the thing. This is the one being mindful, o 'di ba? Being respectful, very demure, and very ano ba? Very cutesy. Oh, yun yung ano, yun yung cutesy. So that is our topic for today actually. And I was keep on thinking on what am I gonna share, and that's the one that popped up to my mind. And before we're gonna tackle, because we know naman na expanding awareness and consciousness is about broadening our perception, our understanding, and our connection to others and to the world and to our surroundings. So parang yun yung nababagay na tawag nito na na patalastas ngayong araw na 'to. So, uulitin ko na lang mamaya, 'di ba? Parang nagawa ko lang 'yun kanina. So, shout out lang muna to those who just, came to my live. Si Saukan is here, Sister Gray. Hi, Sister Gray. Sabi niya, "Galing." O sige ulitin natin mamaya. Tapos si Sister Gray, "Gusto ko 'yan, nice sis." Yeah, cute siya 'no? Type nga natin parang maganda siyang gawin, oh, 'di ba? Pang TikTok or reels kung mahilig kayo. And hi Sis Jis, nakahabol din. And caring, that's why we're sharing the opportunity for oh, magandang idagdag yan sis. So, why do we listen and empathize? Because we are caring, we are mindful. O, di ba? Ay, ang galing. Nakaka, nadagdagan ng aking idea. Thank you, Sis Salcon. I will add that. And so, so for today, we're gonna be tackling about that, being aware and being conscious to other people, to our surroundings, and to the world. So, but typically, magbibigay lang ako ng tatlo. I will always give three topics, and just not to make it so long because I'm working for today. And usually, pag work ako, ay laging nagmamadali. Yun ang kulang sa time management joke. Pero kaya naman, di ba? So, yes, sabi ni Sis Jins na bagay ang topic sa uso na yan, LOL. Yes, I know, right? When I saw that topic, it just popped up in my mind. So, okay, I will just try to make a one like that. So, ayan. Yan ang lumabas. So, so regarding awareness and consciousness, I will just give three as I've mentioned a while ago. Parang nababagay din sa pagiging nurse, di ba? Yes, I'm sorry. I'm a nurse by profession, so I always mention that because you know what? Yes, i-share ko mamaya. So regarding on that one, I will just share three topics, and one is being mindfulness, di ba? So mindfulness is something that you pay attention to everyone and their feelings, their thoughts, and just simply by listening, di ba? Yan yung listen and don't just butt in. You just listen to what they say, especially if we are here in this digital online business. We are so very mindful actually that we keep on sharing this, and we just, di ba, para ang dali ng ating trabaho, ang ating business kasi we are so very mindful talaga sa business na to. So yun yung unang natutunan ko dahil lagi nating iniisip yung mga kapakanan nila, not only their kapakanan but their time also. That's why we're just doing this attraction marketing because we don't want their time to be wasted or their time to be consumed only for listening to our business. So that's the beauty of it. So yun yung unang nakita ko na kagandahan sa business na to dahil una-una mindfulness nga. Talagang yun yung dun nakatutok. Kaya we have this proven system that does the work for us, di ba? And these our clients also, or our prospects or our future business partners, they don't waste their time or consume more of their time just focusing or listening on one sitting lang. Pwede nilang balik-balikan yon, and pwede nilang panoorin on their own time, on their own pace. So, pwede. At saka hindi tayo naghahabol dito. Hindi kami nag-rush or hindi kami naghahabol kasi we don't make or complete quotas, 'di ba? Hindi po kami gano'n na ano sa business na 'to, we don't do that. So, we just take our time to enjoy and learn things and, yun nga, let our system work. So, 'yan, mindfulness. So, pangalawa is yung empathy and compassion. Kasi, 'pag lumalawak na naman ang pagiging, consciousness natin, we become more aware and interconnected. Yun yung kagandahan sa business na 'to kasi we ano na 'to, we develop, relationship between us and to our clients or our prospect or our future business partners. Kasi through messaging, magme-message yung mga yan, eh, they will ask you because we do attraction marketing, right? And they will ask you, hey, what is this business all about? So that's the time that it will start the relationship between you and to your prospect or to your future business partners. Yun yung kagandahan nitong business na ito. That's why I joined right away because of all this. My mindfulness, my empathy and compassion. Diba? And the first one, kasi I will just share three. Yung pinakauna is yung holistic living. Yung approach nito is pang-holistic talaga. So parang it's just like related to our job. That's what I've mentioned a while ago na parang related nga siya sa nursing job namin kasi we approach everyone on holistic. We just don't see kung ano yung kailangan ng tao. We learn, we empathize, ayan. Ano pa ba? We consider their mental, their physical, everything. So their spiritual, everything will be in one package. So through this journey namin sa aming business, we are all learning that as awareness and consciousness na pagiging holistic living na doon namin natututunan kung paano namin i-approach yung isang tao. Kasi we just don't approach to their kung anong itsura nila eh. Yung itsura, yung parang dito nawawala ang pagiging judgmental. Especially if judgmental na yung parang sasabihin mo na, oh, this person does not need it. Pero you don't know pala na yung pinagdadaanan niya, kailangan pala niya. So we always approach everyone, try to show it to everyone. That's why it's attraction marketing because we don't know who really needs our business, eh, di ba? And who knows na yung palang nakikita mo na parang ang yaman niya na hindi niya kailangan yung business, yun pala ang mas may kailangan. Or yung akala mo na kailangan niya yung business pero it's not it's not the one that fits for her pala. So yeah, we really have to learn people parang pinag-aaralan, parang may pagka-psychological ano rin no, na pinag-aaralan namin yung mga ugali, kung anong kailangan, ina-approach din namin yung mga feelings nila, yung mga emotions nila. So we engaged to everything and we approach everyone as a holistic being. So para talaga siyang para talaga siyang, nurse aning ang, pagkakasabi at, itong topic na 'to talagang yun, awareness and consciousness. So being thoughtful and being, mindful and having a deeper sense of purpose on what we do. Especially, ito talagang nakatulong sa 90 Day Success Challenge na 'to kasi we were able to figure out ano nga ba ang purpose namin kung bakit kami nandito. And it's a good thing that it's doing its right purpose ba kung bakit nagawa ito. Kasi for me, I was also like everyone else who has so many whys, 'di ba? And we are all parang nagsuswak na marami tayong why na pare-parehas, pero yun pala, you have your deeper why or you have your deeper reason kung bakit ka nandito at saka kung bakit mo ginagawa 'tong business na 'to. And yun yung isang nagpapa-realize sa akin na sa business na 'to. So, that is what I'm telling na this is 90 days is still the start of everything because, it only, showcase hindi naman, it only, parang yung tinuturo niyang daan sa akin is learning on kung ano ba talaga ako. And, for today's topic, yun yung parang pinaramdam din na, ano nga ba talaga ako? And, as I'm going on this journey at the end of 90 days, siguro doon ko makikita talaga kung ano yung purpose ko and ano yung, reason kung bakit ka nandito sa business na 'to. And, you learn more of yourself, understanding more of yourself, kung ano nga ba, 'di ba? And, yun, yung parang, mashi-share ko ngayong, day for today's, success challenge, and I hope that I was able to, share something, 'di ba? So, ano pa ba? And, always remember that life is better with kindness and with a smile. So always smile. You never know that that simple smile makes that person happy or lighten their day, and you never know that simple smile will let them join you to the business. So yes, so eto, ito na naman ito, may nadagdag. So, why do we keep sharing our stories in this business? Because we are mindful, 'di ba? And why do we listen and empathize to everyone? Because we are mindful, we are caring. Huh? Why do we maintain a simple lifestyle, being modest and simply elegant? Because we are demure, we are mindful, we are caring. Why are we not being pushy or aggressive in our business and what we do? Because we are respectful, we are mindful, we are caring, and demure. O, di ba? Diyos ko. Why do we post? Oh, ito yung importante. Why do we post our achievement, our envelopes, our banners? Because we are cutesy. We are very demure. We are very respectful. We are mindful. And we are very caring. Oh, di ba? Nako, gawin ko nga 'to ng ano, ng post at ma-share, sabi ni Sis Gray. Ayan, sabi ni Sis Gray, pa-share maganda pang i-post sa wall sis. Yeah, sige gawan ko nga. Hi Sis Shay, thank you for coming into my live. Nagkahabol din. And, yes, Sis Gray, I will try to rewrite it and then post it on the 90 Day Success Challenge, and we can share. So, yes, Sis Jeans, thank you for coming into my live, and because you are cutesy, because we are cutesy, o di ba? So, yes, hindi ko na patatagalin ang aking live kasi nakapagluto ng aking asawa, and we're gonna eat some lunch and then prepare for work. And thank you so much, everyone. And yeah, I'll just share this. What is this? Yeah, that life is better with kindness and with a smile. And instead of saying tara all, dapat tara all. Stop saying I hope everything does it and start saying let's all make it happen, 'di ba? Kayang-kaya natin 'to, and I know that you can make it. Everyone who's saying na hindi nila kaya ang ginagawa ko, I'm doing go live. And this is only one of ways where you can do your business. Isa lang ito, marami pa. Hindi lang ito lang kasi ang ano ito lang kasi ang pinakamabilis, oh, 'di ba? Na gawin. But anyways, yeah, you don't have to go live. You don't have to show your face every day. There are other ways to do your business. In this business, parang one size fits all na pwede mong gawin kahit na ano. And social media, there's a lot of ways you can approach people through attraction marketing with the use of social media. Yun lang. We have to be active on social media because this is a digital online business. So, but there are other ways on how. So, if you're curious on what we do and want to know more, and if you are ready to discover something, 'di ba? Exciting and more incredible. So just register your name and your email address on www.josonkit.com, and we're gonna start embarking this journey together. Hindi ka lang po nag-iisa. And This is great talaga. Ivo-voice over ko na din. Diyos ko, baka ayaw nilang i-post 'pag ivo-voice over ko, patay tayo. Yung ano sana, yung boses yung gay na yun 'no, para mas cutesy talaga. Very demure, very very mindful. Very cutesy, oh, 'di ba? So yun lang, because we are very aware and conscious on what we do every day, that's why we come out and we are very authentic. That's why we come out to ourselves every day like this on what we simply we're simply the best because we are simply us. We're simply I am simply me. Ayan. Walang mga effects, walang mga filters, and that's it. Woke up like this ang peg. And that's the beauty of having this digital business because you can show up anytime, anywhere. Uh, 'Di ba? Pero wag naman yung may muta or ano kasi we are demure. So, yes, have a good day and blessed day everyone. I'm gonna see you tomorrow on our 55th. Ay naku, naku po, lumalapit na pero lalong lumalayo pa. So, thank you Sis Gray. Cute mo sis. Yeah, cute mo din. I'm watching all your replays. Ang hirap makapaghabol kasi ang dami natin. But I'm very, very happy that we are all doing it as a group and we are all active. So, yun talaga yung nakakapag-motivate talaga. Yung network, kapag nasa tamang network ka, nasa tamang group, yun yung nagpapalesen ng burden kasi every day you are being motivated, every day you are being challenged na you have to wake up and do your business, 'di ba? So yun yung nakakaengganyo at nakaka-inspire talaga. So that is why one of the reasons na we are doing this every day and we are motivated every day because we have this community, especially our team, the influencers, that motivating us to do it every day. So, parang naulit na naman yun. So, so yun yung nakakatuwa at saka walang naiiwan talaga. So, we keep pushing naman, hindi naman pagiging pushy na bad na pushy, yung good push talaga and we are all learning everyone. So dito walang crab mentality, walang naghihilaan, walang negative vibes, lahat po positive and that's what we want, o 'di ba? So may nagpapatawa sa kanilang mga live, may mga nag-i-inspire through their quotes, may nag-i-inspire through their spiritual preaching, o 'di ba? Yun yung nakakatuwa dito eh. And you will be inspired because there is a counseling on marriage and friendship. Nakakatuwa talaga. So iba-iba. So nakakatuwang we are jumping from one life to the other because it's fun. Yes. So yes, I'm gonna see you tomorrow on our 55th day. And yes, stop saying sana all, dapat tara all, and stop saying I hope I have done this, but start saying we can do this and we'll make it happen. So have a good day and blessed everyone. Happy Friday the 30th. Parang kinakabahan ako but I'm putting prayers because I'm gonna work for today. And thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.